going to be installing some memory in the Macbook Pro. I got 16 gigabytes of RAM, and I'm installing it in the 15-inch late 2012 MacBook Pro model. You're going to need the 00 Phillips screwdriver, and you're going to need some memory. I'm going to put a link in the description to where you can get the memory from. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're in a static free area. Make sure you're static free. And make sure that the MacBook is shut down. And then you're going to flip it over. And then you just take off all the outside screws, and keep in mind that the last 3 are longer than the other screws, so you might want to keep them separated. Alright, and then you just when you remove it, you'll see the memory right here, and then you got a little battery connector right there. And then first we got to disconnect the battery connector, and you could use a pry tool to do that. You got to be gentle with it. Alright, and then to take out the memory that's in there, you got these little tabs on the side, and you just push them. And when you push them, the memory pops up, and you just take it out. And then for the other RAM at the bottom, you do the same thing. You just push on the little tabs until it pops up. Alright, and then you take your new memory, and you see the little gap. You have to line it up. Okay, and then once you have it lined up, once you have it in there, you just push it down until you hear it click. There you go. And then we do the same thing with the top. Okay, and then you plug the battery connector back in, and then you put your cover back on, and that's it.